Yeah, guys, I really have tried to like this knife. I really have given it every shot that I can possibly give it. I've tried to adjust it. I've just tried to live with it for a day. And, you know, this is EDC for you. And it's really personal. I mean, you may have this knife and you may think it's the greatest thing since sliced bread. And that's the whole entire purpose of having different knives and different styles and different designs. I love the way this knife looks. I really, really do. I love this kind of ergonomic, it's just very smooth. It feels comfortable in the hand pretty much. It's a little odd shape. The things that I don't like about the knife, the biggest things that are like annoying, is this lock. I mean, it is kind of hard to do one-handed, and the as you can see here, the center. I mean, it's just not a. It's a cheap made knife, and it's an expensive knife. It is not a pricey knife. This knife, you can pick it up for probably $35-40 max. The problem that I have with that price point is that it does not punch above that at all. As a matter of fact, it may actually come in a little underneath that price point because there are other options out there for you to look at that are in that same price, $30, $35, $40, that are made much better than this knife and function better, in my opinion. Now, again, like I said, if you own the TRUE Utility BG24C, I think is the model number on it, it just has lack of personality, and it is cheaply made. This is advertised as being a ball bearing knife, and as well, it very well may be a ball bearing knife. There may be ball bearings in it. I'm not sure. I haven't taken it apart. I have tried to adjust it, and it's just unadjustable. So there is no adjustment on the knife that I found. Again, this will probably not even make it probably in a drawer somewhere or something like that. I'm not even planning on bringing this knife with me to work to cut up in boxes. I mean, it's a usable knife. It very well could be used for that. You could call it your Junker EDC or something like that, or a Junker knife, which I might actually use for the title of the video. But yeah, it's just, if it was, even if it punched at its category at that price point, I would be happy with a knife. But in my opinion, there are knives that are this same price that are much better quality, and that is just my opinion. So you guys let me know what you think in the comments.